5 ways to make a budget and track your projects in an automated way. How to do it? Give me a like, subscribe, and push the notification button. When you finish your budget with its respective subtotals in each section, you have the option to create a general or overall subtotal. This is a semi-automatic step. Press the Add General Subtotal. As you can see, adding general subtotals don't require manual selection of each cell that contains subtotals. Our algorithm will understand this in an intuitive way, and it only requires a one-button interaction. This feature is very important because it will allow you to make later automized calculations, speeding up your workflow. We invite you to continue with our next video that will teach you how to calculate the company or individual benefits when you make your budget in Mtrix-sc.com. Follow me on our social networks.